So I think so. It's 21st of July. There's a rain happening, and I came back from my Khalans house yesterday. I done with my papers. Hopefully, the result gonna be best, 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 best. The point is that I wanted to say is, whenever I go there, that's the same city where he lives. So I don't know. I feel like there is something, I am not sad. I was very happy when I was there. I was doing everything. But in the middle of some situation, I feel like something very, very heavy just get on me. Like something, you made the whole wall very pretty and you made a space in a wall for something, but that thing is not gonna be coming anymore. So there's a hole there, there's like a space, emptiness there. And that's how it feels like I cannot fill that space. And it's obviously the heart is like, maybe I saw him, maybe but it's never happened. But it's very heavy to feel that I know I can fill that space like with anyone else, but I don't want to because when you have a hole in a wall and there's a water leakage, you put a tissue in it for an instant to be like, oh yeah, it stopped, but it's not gonna help the water back because it's not the solution. So it's that. Okay, you can say water is the emotion and the whole is whatsoever, take it as an example. Anyways, metaphorically or whatsoever. Anyways, so that's what it is, and it feels heavy sometimes. It feels heavy in a moment that it's gonna be this way forever. Like the hole is never gonna be filled. It's gonna this is so weird if you hear it without the context, but it's like, is it gonna be always like this? Because see, you can be with people. There's a hell of a people who loves me. I'm not saying, oh my god, people don't love me. But the point is I cannot be with people just because, I need that tissue. I give such a weird example. But anyways, so yeah, it feels like, when you think, because right now my brain is continuously stopping me from even thinking about him being in my life, because it's like, no, we don't need him. That's actually true, we don't. But the point is the fear of not being in love again, or being that, having that empty space forever. Like imagine if I ever be in a space, I always gonna feel that heaviness. That's a fear too. But there's a second fear which is like, okay, what if I actually forget him this way? That is also a fear. I mean, it's a continuously, um yeah, both of sides are equally bad for me. Okay, I don't even wanted to forget about it, but that emptiness is heavy. I don't want him. I don't know what's gonna happen. I have hopes. I know life is gonna be better. I know life is gonna be good, and my life is literally so good right now. I'm not complaining about it because it's great. But it's just that there is like, there's a wait. You have to wait to see what's gonna happen, and it's crazy to wait. It's crazy to just sit there and be like, okay, yeah. Mm-hmm. It's crazy because my mind is, very limited. I can only think of the things I can, you know. So my imaginations are stuck now. It's like we are stuck. Okay, we are actually stuck in a point where it's like, okay, I don't want to think about him, but then what I'm going to think about, it's just a hollow space there. I don't have a crushes or anything going on. There's only one thing right now that I'm thinking about is I'm going to have a good result, I'm going to go to the university, inshallah. Other than that, there's nothing. There is like a shush, a clean silence. But the scariest part is when I was there, I was like, okay, why I feel this heavy whenever I was there, why I feel this like, okay, there is something missing, there is something missing. It's like a red alert that there is something missing. But I don't know. I came back yesterday. Now I need to clean my whole room because it's all a mess. If you can see, let me show you. These are all the things I get from there. This is all the mess. So it's all messy. I need to clean my all drawers and everything. So yeah. But that's what I wanted to talk about because it's already so many days that I didn't say anything. I actually started writing some poetries. But yeah, I'm gonna, yeah, whatever.